Last week, we introduced you to the guys at our manufacturing facility here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. The link to that video is in the description below. But did you know we have 2 locations? Let's head over to TNT Customs Auto Repair and Custom Jeep Shop and meet those guys. Hi, I'm Tammy. What's your name?
My name's Nick.
Nick. What do you do here at TNT?
I'm just a general mechanic, kind of, your everyday stuff, everyday cars, trucks.
Do you work on the Jeeps too?
I do. Kind of getting into it, still a little new here, but I'm slowly working into that stuff, yeah.
So what do you like about working at TNT?
You get a very wide variety of cars, trucks, Jeeps, some really, really cool projects, some really awesome rigs.
Hi, I'm Tammy.
I'm Steve.
Steve? Oh,
Yep.
Steve.
You
got a name tag. I don't even have a name tag yet. So how long have you been here at TNT?
A little over a year. Yep.
And what do you do?
I am the service writer, so I coordinate all repairs, scheduling, customer contact, that sort of thing.
I know at the other shop they do bed lining and
Yep.
fabrication. What do you do here?
We do any kind of general automotive repair.
I see in the shop too, there's a Jeep up on the lift.
We do most of the custom Jeep builds get facilitated here in this building as well.
And it's not just local Jeeps either.
Oh no. This one happens to be a local Jeep, but we do Jeeps from all over that get brought to us.
Because people hear about TNT and they're like, I'm bringing my Jeep there. What kind of custom work gets done on these Jeeps?
Oh boy, this is an old CJ that's being 4-linked in the rear and 3-linked in the front with coilovers, so all the old leaf spring suspension is being removed and it's being all basically hand fabricated.
Wow. And what do you like about working here at TNT?
I think the family atmosphere most of all, but just the variety. I mean, we see just about anything and everything, from 4-wheel drives to sports cars to your everyday driver, helping people out. It's pretty cool.
Hi, I'm Sean Gowd, and I am the lead Jeep fabricator here at TNT Customs. We work on everything from, Toyotas, Fords, we do engine swaps, Chevys, just pretty much everything besides bodywork and transmission rebuilds, we can handle here in-house.
And why do you like working at TNT Customs?
What makes me happy is seeing customers realize their dreams. And when you're building somebody an off-road rig, custom Jeep like that, where they can actually go out and enjoy themselves out on trails they've never been to before and see stuff they've never seen, that's really just where I get my sense of accomplishment, is seeing customers really just live their dreams out. And when I can help them facilitate that, that's what makes my day.
To learn more about all the great products at TNT Customs, head over to their website at tntcustoms.com.